It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Sandy!
Hold on, man.
How was it, man?
I created my own path.
You got the farthest.
Glistening once again, candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store.
Man, what's the name of your craft over here? What is this?
This is Uncle Bob's special giant snow tube, authentic snow gear. The best you'll get.
Get the best one here, you know that,
The
right?
best you'll see around.
Barney and Bill. Now we'll talk, we'll go for a walk. It's the hope of Janice and Jim. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait.
Wow, that was intense. Okay, this kid's flying. Yeah, I know. Okay, that was the best one all day.
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel. One in the park as well. A sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
Hey! What's going on?
And the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Hit the jump!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock.
Yeah, pretty soon. Watch out for this guy over here.
The jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time
Kid,
is a swell
talk to me. What's going on?
Dude, honestly, I fell off the sled towards the end. It was a good ride. Kyle obviously didn't went better, but when I was falling off, so much fucking snow went right up my shirt. I'm so cold right now.
Mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell.